Hello, YouTube.
Hey, buddy. Morning, there.
We're back with another episode of Derby the Bird Whisperer.
Where are you?
There he is.
What?
He's kind of shy.
Where you at?
I think he's still a baby, that one.
That was the baby of...
And there's that other guy. He's
That
chewing
one.
on a peanut right now. I think it was just the two of them that flew in. He's on the line now.
Want one?
Nope.
He's such a chicken shit. Come on.
He's just new. He doesn't know what to do. No, there he goes.
Okay, I'll put it right here for you. Come on. You can get it. It's okay. Come on. You get it. Come on. I know you're hungry. You want it. Come on. Come on.
He's not convinced. Is he still eating?
Yeah. Come on. I know you want it. Come on. Okay. You really do want it. I know you do. You're right here. Now grab it.
You can see him working up the courage to do
You
it.
can do it.
There
you
you go. Aw.
Pain. Some of them, but that's how you do it. You just gotta
Be
Be
patient.
patient.
Yeah. Be super patient. Oh, he got a big nut,
yeah. I
didn't
gave
he?
him half of a half.
Oh, wow.
So he's been working with. Okay, so peanuts come like this with the shells and all that, but they have 2 halves to each peanut, and Tough got a whole half. So he's in his glory.
He's good for a while.
Yeah, he'll be eating that. Here, I'll take it up to him.
Okay.
Oh, I don't want
Oh,
it.
other way?
Yeah.
Sorry, people.
Oh.
He flies away.
As he flies away. Anyways, you saw the nut and me feeding them peanuts, so I think they all buggered off and they will be back. But another gorgeous day in the neighborhood. Hope everybody's doing well. I've got this all hooked up now. I've got back plating on, and it's actually going to be working. And this is the knife that I cut out of it. There's still some more shaping to be done, but I can do it better now that the plate's here and that's on. So that's the goal for today, is to finish up that knife, and I'll keep you guys posted on it. And till then, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.